Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host Gary Singh Grewal. Our today's topic regarding Amitabh Bachchan, who have donated rupees 2 crore to New Delhi's Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur COVID Care Center. Gurdwara Management Committee, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, who is also the national spokesperson of Akali Dal Party, took a took to special media to announce that Amitabh Bachchan has donated rupees 2 crore to Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur COVID Care Facility. Sirsa wrote, "Six are legendary. Salute to their services." These were the words of Amitabh Bachchan when he contributed 2 crore rupees. Before going that, I can repeat it. In 1984 genocide, that time Amitabh Bachchan must be a friend of Indira Gandhi's family. That time, 1984, he said, "Khoon ka badla khoon lena chahiye." Let me go to Sarbjeet.
Haji,
Sarbjeet Singh ji.
um, you know, Manjinder Singh Sarsa is doing a good job. He's running day and night. Uh, Whatever way he has done very good job providing langar to the people and providing oxygen concentrators and other facilities, whatever was needed for the people of New Delhi. A lot of people are donating money, and one of them is Amitabh Bachchan. So when nobody else's name is recognized, why his name should be recognized? Anybody can donate money, anybody can come to Gurdwara. On basis of Sikhism, we cannot discriminate anybody. But this service, this cause is for the humanity. It's a selfless service. Many people have donated so much money. But when Amitabh Bachchan gave 2 crore, what is 2 crore for him is nothing. It's
Yeah,
like a maybe $200, $2,000,
yeah,
according to his net worth. But his name, he has repeatedly in press conference, he has repeated his names many times, at least 2 times in press conference that I have heard it, and highlighting Amitabh Bachchan ji has donated this much money. And on top of that, he has said the Sikhs are legendary people. So what? Everybody knows. Everybody knows. There's no hidden truth now, especially the people of New Delhi. In October or the November 1984, where Indira Gandhi was taken to the hospital, this guy, Amitabh Bachchan, had a lot of close family relations with Gandhi Parbar. And the minute that Indira Gandhi was assassinated, all the news channels here in United States stopped, all major news channels, and the continued coverage started coming from India, from New Delhi, that Indira Gandhi has been assassinated. And that news continued 24/7 until Indira Gandhi was cremated. And we had seen picture of Amitabh Bachchan, talking to the Gandhi's family, going to the funeral and the cremation of Indira Gandhi, going there all the time. He was present there from very first moment that he arrived there. And these are the words that people who were present at that time, they said that at that time Amitabh Bachchan did raise the slogans कि सिखों को मजा चुकाओ, खून का बदला खून लो, and that instigated the riots. Had he not said it, I think riots could have been continued anyway. It would have started anyway. But he said it, that really instigated people. And so time has gone by. I don't know whether he has apologized or not apologized. He has not been found guilty yet by any court or anything. So, and his somebody told me that his mother was a Sikh, and I think he mentioned that his mother was Sikh. Yeah, he belonged to the Sikh family. Well, anyway, um, but he has donated it. That's fine. If we can accept it, we just can't denounce it. Just as anybody else donated, in my opinion, we shouldn't highlight his name at all.
mhm. That's good. I think let me go Baljinder Sidhu ji.
Uh, my point of view is that I'm not sure if he has apologized.
Uh-huh.
If he has apologized, then we have to move forward. Now the word is COVID center. COVID center, I think anybody can donate, and we can stop people because it's a time of the COVID. So any help and anything should be welcomed. So he can contribute because it's a COVID center. He's not contributing to some sick situation or some trying to, improve his own image. So based on that, we cannot say no, he can't do it. But on the other hand, it would have been better if he had rather come to Delhi and gave the donation and also said, that I feel that I want to apologize for what I've did. But now, for the sake of humanity, because Sikhs are working on this diligently, so here is my donation, and I request that it be accepted. So,
Oh, I see. Okay. Jo Sandhu ji.
Yes, at the time he said those words in 1984, many, Hindu society people had a big grudge that Sikhs murder Indira Gandhi. But being a friend of Sanjeev Gandhi, he said it in anger in November 1984.
Mhm.
And 27 years gone by, then he went to Darbar Sahib and apologized. And I don't know the exact date in 2011. He apologized. It was, anger, and I'm sorry for that. It was I love Sikhs. And, in our religion, when somebody apologizes, he's forgiven. Okay. He donated money for a good cause, and it will teach a little matter to Modi as well, that he has donated, and we should do something for the Sikh, farmers or farmers of India. And I think we should, they should accept 2 crore, which will, help the community. It's not for only Sikh community. It's, any community can get help over there. That's all I think about the situation.
Okay. Thank you ji. Sudarshan Kapoor ji.
First of all, thank you very much for including me. It was a little surprise that I got the invitation, but such an invitation is always welcome. Though I am somewhat unprepared to participate, but I certainly would like to express my views. If that Bachchan is a very famous personality in India and comes from a very famous family. His father was a great poet, Hindi poet, and I remember reading his father's poetry when I was a student. So he comes from a very well-known family, a very respected family with a very broad view. I am really surprised to hear the word that he used at that time. As Sandhu Saabji mentioned, that people under stress and emotional stress, particularly and anger, could say all kinds of nonsense things. I have heard other people also expressing those kinds of words also. Sometimes people do not have control over themselves under such situation. And this is what has happened. But this is very unfortunate he used those words because I don't think that that is the way really to address or deal with that kind of a problem. But I certainly applaud the gesture on his part that 2 crore rupees he has donated for a very good cause, particularly for the Gurdwara Sesganj in Delhi. And I have visited the Gurdwara myself, and I was student at Delhi University because it was my great desire to visit that Gurdwara. So it's a very, I still remember fond memories of visiting the Gurdwara. And it's a very nice gesture, and we should really forgive him for all what he has, even if he has not asked for apology, but we should forgive. Because forgiveness is something, a great virtue and a great characteristic on our human. That's how you pave the way for peace building, actually. Even if the person who has done something wrong, that we should have what we call magnanimous. The word actually magnanimous, that we should be magnanimous and forgive actually him what he said. So it's a very unfortunate he said those, because first of all, to begin with, uh, what that happened at that time, it's a very sad history. It's a very sad chapter in the history, and it actually did affect the relationship between Hindus and Sikhs in India as well as in my community here in Fresno. I was the one who was trying to keep the doors open and building the bridges here. It did affect, but we kept the doors open. And for the last more than 40, 50 years, we have been trying to keep the doors open and building these bridges. But these kind of statements do contribute to all kind of animosity, and which actually are not appropriate in my own opinion.
Dr. Arjun Singh ji,
Yes, it is very nice that you have invited me also. And I fully agree with Dr. Sudarshan Kapoor. He is a great sociologist over here in this university, has been a very nice teacher in the university and a very good person. So I agree with him, really. And it also shows this act of Bachchan family. It shows that how good the charity work is being done by the Sikh institutions. They are doing very good work and very peacefully. They are very humble, and when these things the people all over the world, they see to it that they are so peaceful people. They are very humble. They are just having a helping mind. They really, even the enemies, they try to come near to them. So it's a very good characteristics. I tell you, this sort of what we call to kirt karna, vand shakna, God nu remember karna, these are the very good things. So one thing I will tell you, that life, what is life then? What is the meaning of life? I think this is something that we should search into here in this donation that Amitabh has made. So life is something that you give. Kirt karo and vand shako. And he has done a great thing. We appreciate it. And I agree with all the participants that he has done a great thing. And we from NRI Plus people, we must send him our good wishes. Thank you.
Thank you. Baljeet Kaur ji.
Ji, I will say that I will say it's a great effort from his side that he's donating this money. First of all, I will say that the money been donated will help a lot of people, and people do need help. And either we are Sikhs or Hindus or Muslims, whoever we are, we do not have any right to say that donation is not accepted. because donation is not for any religion. It's for people who are suffering with COVID. And there is a lot of lack of oxygen and a lot of vaccination needed, a lot of needs there that can be fulfilled with this money. And the reason that we are talking about today is that if he apologized or how he participated in the massacre in 84 in Delhi. I happened to be in India in 84, living in Bathinda. So we did not know much at that time. We have made a lot of statements. Every single politician during that time made stupid statements, and a lot of people got killed during that time. A lot of Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs been killed. And did anybody apologize for that? I haven't seen any politician apologizing for the killing of Sikhs or Hindus. And I haven't seen any political figure, any religious figure, or any military or anybody apologizing that we have killed innocent people. And a lot of innocent people were killed on both sides at that time. And if we say we are talking about murder of Mrs. Gandhi, why that happened? It happened because she attacked on Golden Temple. Why there was attack was done on Golden Temple? Because of Bhindranwala. Why Bhindranwala was sitting in Golden Temple? Because of some other political reasons. We started from Anandpur Sahib Mata to more rights for the states. Are we in better state right now than we were before? We haven't gone an inch further. And we have lost so many people in Punjab. We have lost so many people in Delhi, and we haven't reached anywhere. And have we ever talked about who executed or martyrdom of Guru Arjan Dev Ji? We've forgiven them. Who martyred Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, we've forgiven them. We haven't forgotten their sacrifice, but we have forgiven the people. We have forgiven the people who did massacres in 47, in partition. We have done that so far. Why Amitabh Bachchan is, I will say, like a little particle in the whole situation here. And I will say that even if he didn't apologize, I will still say that he has a right to donate, and people who are sick at this time, they have right to get the help. So I will say that his donation should be accepted, and that should go to the patients that need it the most this time. We should go above and beyond this political agenda of a lot of people. It's not a time to think about that. It's the time to think we need to help people. That's how I feel about it.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you.
The thing that I was going to say, Panji ne
Oh,
kiya
sorry.
कि nobody apologized. Sardar Manmohan Singh Ji, the former Prime Minister, when he was there, he did actually express apology in the Parliament.
Yeah, right.
Opinion actually, which I may say at another time, it was a big mistake on the part of the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi to send the military to the Golden Temple. So I have never approved of that. I think it was a big mistake on her part. There should have been other non-violent ways and means to find out the solution to that actually. Like
In the chats,
Apology. You said it.
I've looked at it in the Google and I put this in the chat session.
Uh-huh.
Amitabh Bachchan never apologized.
Oh, no.
Never did. Okay. In 2011, according to the Google News, on November 28, he was summoned by Los Angeles Federal Court. He wrote a letter to Akal Takht Jathedar saying his allegations were wild, irresponsible, vicious. He never said anything. He sent pictures of his maternal grandparents that they were Sikhs.
Yeah.
But he never did. He
His
never
mother
did.
is sick. Nana is sick, something. Okay. Dr. Srivinder Singh Ji.
I think what Sarbjit Singh said. The two things, however, number one, it's another thing to discuss about the pros and cons of why was justified or not. But the question is this: the 84 massacre, what part he played in accentuated ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਪਾਰਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੇ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਮੋਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਤਾਂ he does have blood in his hands ਜੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਵਾਕਈ ਕੁਝ ਦਰਦ ਅੰਦਰ ਸੀ, if he really had that thing in his mind, he never thought of sending any money to those suffering widows and those people who, and the kids who suffered for many, many, many years.
Yeah.
They were looked after also not very well by the Sikh community either. They also stand to be blamed. If at all he had something in related to the Sikhs' suffering and feelings, this time is also for the sake of COVID, which should be thoroughly appreciated. Donation the ਦੇਣੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਰਬਜੀਤ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਓ, ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੇ ਜੇ ਸਿਰਸਾ ਨੇ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਨਾਉਂਸ ਹੀ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਤੇ ਡੋਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਆਈਆਂ ਨੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬਗੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਲੋਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਹੀਰੋ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੋ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ in the context of it, whether it was such a sikh ki jhoot si, whether he really said khun ka badla khun, no matter what, in the context of that also that he never apologized. He almost kept saying that he never said that thing. Chalo jo bhi so sach hai jhoota jo bhi hai, but at least there is still exist an air of doubt, air of suspicion upon him. Important question is in us as a Indian Dasya, how can we forget and forgive and go along, but not for the sake of what we call it, just to show off, after so many years, finally somebody, I forgot the wording, justice delayed is justice denied. So, that apology has not as much of a forceful meaning, which has been now finally offered. Person has been very kind to help suffering people in COVID. He done it through the Guru Tegh Bahadur. That's also appreciated. But if he's considered donations, it should not be announced. He should have done it quietly. And Sarsa should have not announced it either.
Okay.
And now that he had done it,
Yes.
he's glorifying him and giving him a hero status. In the minds of many, many of us, it's very hard to swallow that. I'm being very truthful. He's great. He's done a great job in terms of relevant definition of greatness. But then, actors are actors, they are, I'm done.
Do you think we should have given more penalty to him? Maybe he should pay 50 crore rupees, something like that, donation, or maybe
It's
he should
not-
apology. He should be apology also.
No.
He should apology also.
You completely missed my point. It's not the amount of money one donates.
Okay, apology. He should do apology.
Okay. Yeah, yes, apology is of course definitely in order.
Okay, you want
should-
apology there. That's good. Okay, Samra ji.
Thank you, Gary ji, for inviting me on this important debate and discussion. And we are the people of my age who have gone through that. In 1980s, we were growing up. So we were going through all these things we have seen with our eyes. We have seen how the politicians, they make a mess. And all the people, whoever, like Amitabh Bachchan, he was a hero. Anything he says, it was considered as have very weight and value to it. In the context of law, what they say in Punjabi, that whoever ishara karan wala banda hunda jehda, ਉਹ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਕਾਤਲ ਆ ਕਾਤਲ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਹੀ ਕਸੂਰ ਇਸ਼ਾਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ so he is and the kind of the guy who made point ke blood for blood that made a big impact on all those mobs and gundas that they have support of such a heroic people. That's where he damaged our community the most, and that is not even actually unapologizable. Yes, the Sikhs are having big heart. They still can do and they can consider it. But you see at that time, the kind of damage happened to the Sikh community because of the statements from these heroic, important people. That was the worst thing. If it is somebody from the lower level or something, people won't consider it. And Amitabh Bachchan was very much in the hearts of the people that time. People don't know that he's an actor. In acting, he can say anything. He can do different kind of roles. I'm very much aligning with the Dr. Saab, whoever have said so many things about it. And if he was supposed to give donation now, first of all, he should have not have that conscience even to offer to the Sikh causes his donation until he apologizes it from the bottom of his heart at certain places that he made such a big mistake. In my eyes, and according to the law, if we say the guy who points out, the guy who excites is the same, having the same offense like the killer. So he is one of them. But now the way other Sikh leaders are highlighting his donation, that is wrong. They should not have even announced it. Only the way Dr. Saab said, he should have humbly given under the table and should have told the people whoever he deal with that that's my donation for the COVID people. It's not accepted as a to impress the Sikh community. Sikh community should not be impressed by his donations. Sikhs are capable of feeding so many people in the world.
Let me go one by one. When people become older, most of the people,
We all
they have money because Amitabh Bachchan has a $50 million, his no. Daughter-in-law is also $35 million something. His son is also, money is not a big issue for that. Even when you say COVID, he is providing to COVID, very helpful. Hey, what about that sentiments of the people worldwide? Everybody feel now in the United States, Canada also. I'm taking that survey. People feel that Gore ka Raj acha tha. We don't want to be listen this kind of stuff there. Jitne leader ne, but when you say leader or politician, they are the actually culprits for whole India to spoil it. Let me see that Parminder's son. He started fighting last year election in Gurdaspur. He never show up. Why somebody politician have to be installed there when they never go there? Let me have some bachelor degree, master degree, brigadier, colonel, hire that guy. Jo Sandhu ji.
Everybody said, good things. Everybody said positive things. I think, he should apologize, as everybody said. He deserves, apology, then everything will go away. We will be all together.
Beautiful.
And he will be forgiven.
Beautiful.
Hey.
Okay. Amrik ji, Sidhu ji, very.
Him now donating money to this cause, and we always want to bring somehow that it's a Sikh thing. No, this is a COVID. Tegh Bahadur Ji COVID Care Center.
COVID Care Center, yeah.
It's not a Gurdwara. It's not a donation to a religion. He donated money for caring of the people. And we want to avoid the connection between Sikh religion and the COVID thing. It's a humanistic cause. He's donated the money. I agree with some of the speakers that they should not have announced it and not bring an apology, not involve the apology into this donation business and get on with the business of taking care of the people who are victims of COVID. Thank you.
Okay, Baljinder ji.
My view is I see that almost everybody has some concern about the way he's donating. I look at it this way. He's not trying to wash his sins by donating money. I don't look at it that way. I think if he's donating to Guru Tegh Bahadur's COVID center, that has nothing to do with the Sikhs. This is the bigger cause for the whole of humanity.
As some points here, Sirsa, he should consult that at least to the public or other places, not a decision maker. He's doing his alone.
I want to say something.
Okay,
Yes. Okay. What I want to say is that we are talking about how he tried to advertise it. I was reading his tweet when somebody said that all these, where are all the movie stars that they haven't donated anything for the COVID fund? I donate for the farmers. I donate for COVID. I have donated a lot of other places, and that's what his tweet is. So if you want to give him that benefit, but at the same time, I want to say that Sirsa himself is a political figure, and he is doing all this because the Delhi committee elections are coming. He is also advertising Amitabh Bachchan to get the votes.
Sarabjit ji, very short, please.
देखो जी, these people are opportunists. एक जो opportunity आਉਂਦੀ है, ये अपना नाम ऊपर कर लेंदे हैं. They do. They take advantage of that. As Kisan Andolan is going, he never raised any voice again. I don't think he donated any money toward the Kisan Andolan.
Yeah, right.
Might have.
It's in Maharashtra. He's sent 15 lakhs or something to the farmers of Maharashtra and UP.
Okay, well, the Andolan
That's
is
what it said
Delhi.
in his tweet.
Okay.
I won't think he will lie on that
Okay.
in the tweet.
But
Yeah.
he's still advertising it. He's still advertising it on his tweet if he has donated it.
I
Anyway.
told you he's a political person.
So anyway, you know, I think whatever is done is done. Mr. Manjinder Singh Sirsa should send a message to Amitabh Bachchan. You know, Jo Sharane Aave tis Kant Lave. You know, you come to Gurdwara, nobody will harm you. You donate to Gurdwara, nobody will accept your things. But don't think that this will cover your remarks of instigation that you have done, or people are saying that, you know, your case is still going on. Nothing is going to be covered. No special, you know, popularity should be given to you. We accept it. And if you want to still continue to give, otherwise you can take your money back. And because he donated, there are so many other organizations working. Not only Sikhs are working. Why hadn't he given it to anybody else in Bombay or somewhere else? Why only that? And he did not give it to the COVID center. He gave it to the Sikh temple. And he said the Sikhs are legendary people.
Yeah, right.
Okay, he said, I will be, you know, getting more oxygen concentrator. Maybe his heart is clean. That's okay. But that does not cover up. That does not heal the wounds of the people. Mr. Jagdish Kaur, who claimed she witnessed him saying that, and other people, but God knows he said it or not said it. But Manjinder Sirsa definitely made a mistake, and he should make a remark. And Manjinder Sirsa should apologize.
Yeah,
If
right.
Amitabh Bachchan ever apologized, he will go to jail.
Very good point. Sarabjit, thank you ji. Kapoor ji.
And I still consider, coming from the Hindu faith and Hindu religion, people sometimes do actually make donations in order to, well, Bhujinder Singh ji says washing the sins, but it is something actually is there. In Hindu culture, it is there. People do these kinds of donations, though they may not admit publicly, but it is one way of, the way after hearing, it is one way of his confession actually on his part that he may have done something wrong, but this is one way of doing something right. It is very possible. It is very possible that may be going on, because he also knows that the people have been angry about his statement. If it did instigate the people to commit those murders, that violence, it is really something unforgivable, to be very honest.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Harpanj Samra.
As I said, see, everything is political. Some of our guys are talking political too. Nobody try to touch the truth. So the thing is that and the Delhi massacre is anybody, was anybody killed from Sarsa family? Was anybody killed from Badal family? From other important leaders' families? These people were making deals. These people were instigating the people to do all that thing that was being done. That's what Amitabh Bachchan become the part of that too eventually, by instigating the mob to ordering them kind of what to do. So those kind of things cannot be forgiven. If there were a justice in India, if there were, all these guys at that time on the basis of public statements, they should have been part of the execution, like they should have been sued, they should have been gone to justice.
I think it has by Amitabh Bachchan, by giving money to Sirsa, has it speaks volumes. It has, he trusts Sirsa, he trusts Sirsa more than anybody else. That's why he's donating to him. So and he's doing a great job. And I think we should let him do it. My support for Sirsa and accepting money.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Everybody.
We will
has to
talk
see
to
that-
him after the COVID is over, then we will get him.
Yeah, okay.
Let's deal with the COVID first.
Something like
Thank you
that.
very much. Let me close that note, everybody. Thank you very much for coming. I think everybody did a good job. We will try to make a press release for tomorrow, possibility. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you.
Sat Sri Akal ji.
Thank you for inviting.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.